Hi there, Mr. Dusky here, giving you another lesson from Unit 9 as we continue distance learning. I hope you're all having a great week. Please let me know if you have any questions. Last lesson we worked on 9.1 reflections. Hopefully you have homework 1 turned in using the Cami extension on Schoology. Today we're moving on to 9.2 translations, and then you will have homework 2 to do. So here's our to-do list. I would like you to fill out the attendance form on Schoology. Make sure you are doing that Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday so I can keep track. Also, I would like you to watch these video examples on 9.2 translations. Then when you're finished watching the videos, fill out an exit ticket form on Schoology. There you can give me feedback and just let me know that you are completing the videos, and then go ahead and complete homework 2 using the Cami extension on Schoology. If you guys have any questions, make sure you email me at adrutowski@isd191.org. I want to make sure that you guys understand this unit. Okay, so if you recall, Unit 9 was all about transformations. Remember, a transformation is means that you can change the size, position, or orientation of an image. We practiced that first by using reflections. Now the next one is going to be a translation. What a translation is it's basically just a way of moving one object from its original position to a new position. And how you do that is you translate it. You vertically or horizontally slide the image over. So I'm going to be sliding this image A, B, C, D to the right and then down. And it's like we're just like shifting it over. We don't change anything about the shape, like it's still the same shape, it's just moved. So symbolically, we're going to be looking at our coordinates again to do this. With our x coordinate, we're going to be adding an h to it. H will represent our horizontal shift. And then with our y coordinate, we're going to be adding a k. K is going to represent the vertical shift. Pay attention to the signs. If it's a plus h, that means I'm going to be moving, horizontally. I'm going to be moving it to the right if it's a positive. If it's a minus h, I'm going to be going to the left. Same thing, if it's a positive or a plus k, that means I'm going to be going up. If it's a minus k, I'm going to be going down. Our next video, I'm going to show you our examples. So watch the next video to see the examples, please.